Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect QuillBot with Twitter, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Go to the QuillBot website. Log into your QuillBot account if you are not already signed in. In the top right corner, find and click on the settings icon. Look for the integrations section in the settings menu. Locate the Twitter integration option. Click on the connect button next to Twitter. A pop-up will appear prompting you to sign in to your Twitter account. Enter your Twitter credentials and authorize QuillBot to access your Twitter account. After authorization, you will be redirected back to the QuillBot settings page. You should see a confirmation that your Twitter account is successfully connected. Explore the features now available for Twitter within QuillBot. To use the integration, close the settings menu and return to the main interface. Compose your content, and when ready, choose the desired features. Share your QuillBot content directly to Twitter using the provided sharing options. Review your Twitter feed to confirm your post has been successfully shared. You have now successfully connected QuillBot with Twitter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.